Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. 2024 खत्म होने आया है and every year when the year ends, I always have this ritual of making a vision board. अब जब मैं vision board बनाती हूँ मैं मेरे feed पे बहुत manifestation and this manifestation came true, this thing is being ticked off from my vision board. मैं ऐसे बहुत सारे stories post करती हूँ and मुझे बहुत लोग पूछते हैं that can you share few tips on how you do it? आप बता सकते हो क्या आप ये कैसे करते हो? And today I'm going to share everything with you guys. So basically I'm not very comfortable sharing my goals, my vision. मैं ऐसे ज़्यादा online ज़्यादा share नहीं करती because I do believe in नज़र. ऐसे हमेशा होता है दैट मैं पहले बता दूँ एंड नज़र लग ही जाती है. जो लोग पता नहीं कौन लगाता है नज़र बट लग जाती है एंड वो काम होता नहीं है. सो बेसिकली व्हाट आई यूजुअली डू इज आई हैव दिस विजन बोर्ड दैट आई कीप ऑन माई फोन. आई कीप इन फ्रंट ऑफ माई वर्क स्पेस. एज यू कैन सी देयर इज अ विजन बोर्ड हियर. दिस इज माई ऑफिस रूम एंड मैंने मेरा विजन बोर्ड यहाँ रखा है. तो एवरी टाइम मी एंड माई टीम वी आर वर्किंग वी नो अरे ये अचीव करना है. आई थिंक वी कैन अचीव दिस. ये साल अरे वी आर सो क्लोज टू अचीविंग दिस. सो ऐसे हमारे दिमाग में हमेशा वो चलते रहता है. बट बेसिकली हाउ यू मेक अ विजन बोर्ड, आप कैसे विजन बना सकते हो, हाउ यू कैन मैनिफेस्ट द लाइफ ऑफ योर ड्रीम्स, मैं आज आपको सब बताने वाली हूँ. इट्स ऑल अबाउट योर माइंडसेट. सो वॉच द वीडियो टिल द एंड. शायद ये वीडियो थोड़ा लंबा होगा but trust me guys, this video will change your life just like it did mine. Okay, let's get started. So last year मेरे विजन में बहुत सारी चीज़ें थी. As always I had a few brands that I had in mind and कुछ चीज़ें थी जो मुझे चाहिए थी. So before showing y'all that how you can make a vision board and how you can manifest things, I will tell you that मेरे vision board में से क्या क्या चीज़ें पूरी हुई है. So सबसे पहला मेरी इच्छा थी I wanted to work with a brand that is my most favorite skincare brand, that is Forest Essential. मैंने उसका पिक्चर मेरे विजन बोर्ड में लगाया था and guys मैंने Forest Essential के साथ काम किया. Randomly I went to an airport और मैंने Forest Essential से कुछ चीज़ें उठाई and मैंने ऐसी ही एक स्टोरी डाल दी that love this brand because I always shop. मैं इतनी शॉपिंग करती हूँ उनसे and मैंने बोला I wish I could work with them, manifesting a collaboration with them. And I don't know, out of nowhere the brand reached out to the PR team and the PR team reached out to me and I ended up doing not a barter but a paid collaboration with them. Usually when you reach out to brand and when you show interest, बहुत कम ऐसे chances होते हैं that you know the brand is paying you for the thing. But this was a paid collaboration and I did work with my favorite brand. So this was one thing that happened. The next thing that I wanted was one international sponsored brand trip and I just posted a picture. मुझे वैसे तो पेरिस जाना था but I had this in my mind that मुझे एक international trip तो करनी है, वो कोई भी क्यों ना हो, sponsored. I am okay with it. So out of nowhere, like this month, November, last month, I got an opportunity to fly to Bangkok with an international outlet mall जिसपे मुझे सारे इंटरनेशनल ब्रांड्स कवर करने थे. एंड ट्रस्ट मी गाइज इतनी खुशी मिली है बिकॉज दिस वॉज माई फर्स्ट स्पॉन्सर्ड ट्रैवल ट्रिप. सो बेसिकली यूजुअली कैसे होता है पता है, कोलैब्स में मैं होटल के साथ कोलैब कर सकती हूँ एंड आई कैन गेट द स्टे फ्री. बट बहुत ऐसे कम सिचुएशंस होते हैं जिसमें फ्लाइट, स्टे, फूड, एवरीथिंग इज स्पॉन्सर्ड बाय द ब्रांड एंड दिस वॉज दैट ट्रिप. इट डिड केम ट्रू बट आई वॉज सो हैप्पी दैट येस I actually started this journey of going on sponsored trips. वो एक और टिक हो चुका था. Then next I had one more vision on my vision board. So I had a few brands जिनसे मुझे थोड़ी बहुत shopping करनी थी. So one brand was Versace. So I had these 2-3 brands, Versace, Prada, Chanel. ये तीनों मैंने ऐसे मेरे इसमें लगा के रखे थे. And I had no idea that out of nowhere ये पूरा हो जाएगा. I got a gift from one of my family member randomly and that was a Versace watch. So मैंने बहुत अच्छे से डिसाइड किया था that year is ending and मैंने खुद को कुछ गिफ्ट भी नहीं दिया है. So I will gift myself a Prada glasses. So I am going to gift myself that. तो वो भी एक मेरे vision board से टिक होगा. But I was not very sure that वो दूसरा ब्रांड भी टिक हो जाएगा. You know, magic does happen. So I had 3 brands on my list, that is Versace, Chanel and Prada. And उसमें से Versace और Prada has been ticked off and सिर्फ Chanel बचा हुआ है. And let's hope, you never know, I might just buy a perfume and tick that off too. तो वो भी पूरा हो जाएगा. So आप मुझे बताओ कमेंट्स में, should I buy and tick it off? Because you know you can do that. आपकी अंदर की इच्छा होनी चाहिए उतनी strong that you know you just put all the vision to reality. Then the next thing was I wanted to get my hands on 2 hair care brands to be precise. So ये international hair care brands है, those are not in India. And मुझे इनके साथ हमेशा इनके products try करने थे, but वो इंडिया में available नहीं होते. उसमें से एक hair care brand था जिसमें my friend went to US and I asked her to get the products because मुझे वो try करना ही था. And it is a brand called Gissu. इनके hair oils, hair mask and lip oil बहुत ही famous है on Instagram. I spent around 10,000 for these 3 products, but I am so happy because these products are so good. This year I wanted to try that products. That was on my vision board. And now next year I'm hoping for a collaboration with that brand. मैं usually ऐसे बताती नहीं that what I'm hoping and what I'm visualizing. But let's manifest a collaboration with one international hair care brand. If this comes true, then yeah. All of us manifested it together. The next brand, yes, some of my part of the manifestation did come true. तो मुझे ये दूसरा brand भी खरीदना था. So इसका नाम है Way. It is pronounced as Way, but उसका logo and the spelling and everything is completely different. This is a very viral hair care brand outside India and their products are just fabulous. इतना बात करते हैं लोग about these products and I wanted to get my hands on this as well, but then I was a little confused that दोनों नहीं लेती because it would become very expensive for me. So मैंने सिर्फ Gissu खरीदा and you know what guys, somewhere I knew that ये भी मिल जाएगा मुझे, मैं किसी और से मंगा लूंगी. This brand is now available in India and वही brand ने मुझे एक इतना बड़ा PR kit भेजा है from their brand. So मेरे vision से वो भी टिक हो गया. So this was all about my work. So I think मैंने majority चीज़ें मेरे work related चीज़ें टिक की है. But there are a few things जो टिक नहीं हुई है and for that I need your support. One, I had this in my mind that I want the YouTube silver button. I wanted to touch 100k. But I'm so grateful. We are so close to 10k subscribers. So yeah, I think we did start from like 1,000 subscribers and now we are a family of 10,000 subscribers. And I also like almost hit the YouTube partnership program. And I think ये छोटे छोटे achievements are also huge for me because मैंने ना कभी YouTube पे इतना focus किया ही नहीं था. So I will not blame the universe for this. I can actually put some blame on myself because मैंने अपना 100% नहीं दिया था and I'm very sure that next year we are going to get that silver button here. आज यहाँ पे सिर्फ picture है, soon there is going to be that button here. Let's hope for the best. So I had this one thing on my vision board, that is I wanted to buy a house or a different space for my work. And जब मैंने बनाया था ये vision board तब तक मैंने ये studio जो जहाँ पे मैं अभी shoot कर रही हूँ, you might have seen the studio tour and everything, वो book कर लिया था. So yes, that also came true from my vision board. I now have my own studio space. It's been like around 8-9 months that I'm shooting here and it has been an amazing experience. मैंने कभी नहीं सोचा था that I'll have a different space for work and it's a beautiful feeling. So even that was ticked up from my vision board. Now I'm just having a look at everything. उसके अलावा I had one more thing on my vision board, that was 500k followers on Instagram, which didn't come true. But my heart has a very strong feeling that next year this is going to happen. I don't know how it will happen, but yes, I am sending this message to the universe that next year I am going to hit that number for sure. So these two things didn't happen, but I am not sad or anything. We did reach a certain level and that is also very good. I'm very grateful for that. उसके अलावा I had one vision in my mind जो मुझे बहुत ही अंदर से इच्छा थी कि वो पूरी हो, but that didn't happen. And उसके लिए I am a little sad. I wanted to be featured on a magazine, any magazine. So for some reason, it is just not happening. I did achieve some other things which were beyond my imagination. मैंने magazine feature तो नहीं हुई हूँ. I am not on a magazine, but I did a lot of other online interviews, offline interviews, media publications. ये सब चीज़ें मैंने ये साल बहुत की है. And when the year started, that was on my wish list that I want to tick all these things off. I want to do more of PR activities. I want to do more of publications. I I want to go out and talk, and ये सारी चीज़ें बहुत हुई है compared to, it's just that वो मेरा जो मैगजीन में पिक्चर वाला जो इमेजिनेशन था एंड जो विजन था वो ये साल पूरा नहीं हुआ, बट ठीक है, हो जाएगा वो भी. So that was one thing. Now this was all about my work. Then later I had a few trips in my mind. So trips bhi, I did 2 international trips this year. I always wanted to. So this was in my wish list that I have to travel every 2 to 3 months. Anyhow, मतलब एक ट्रिप तो लेना ही है. And I did take around 5 trips this year. And I think I am very happy because ये सारे trips मैंने बहुत अच्छे खासे लंबे लंबे लिए हैं. And मैं छुट्टियाँ बहुत दिल से मनाती हूँ. I don't work when I go on vacations. I don't do anything. I went to Bali. I took like a 10-day trip and I took like a proper 10-day detox trip. So I also manifest work, but I manifest work-life balance as well. My vision is to always have a balance between my work and my personal life. Now, since we are coming to my personal life, I manifested something for my personal life. So this year I wanted to get married. That was on my vision. I was very sure that मुझे ये साल settle होना ही है. Okay, but शादी तो मेरी ये साल हुई नहीं. I had one picture in my mind. I clicked that picture. I'll show you the picture. Now this is on my vision, okay? ये मैंने अपने बोर्ड में लगाया हुआ था. And this is reality. This actually happened. Now I am not going to talk much about this part of my life. But yeah, I did manifest something for my personal life. And I will talk more about it maybe in the coming few months. You need to stay tuned on YouTube and on Instagram because you are going to get a lot of surprises and random videos, random things. So yeah, मैं ज़्यादा बोलूँगी नहीं, but you need to stay tuned. So yeah, I did manifest something for my personal life as well. Personal life के अलावा I had a few things that was for my health. So you know, one thing that we always just ignore is our health. We only have our money, our personal life, पैसे relationship, we are just juggling in these two things. We don't focus on our health. And I think that was lesson for me this year. So this year, in the beginning of the year, in March or April, I randomly saw a huge difference in myself. So I put on a lot of weight and I was very low, not in the kind of work or ऐसे feeling wise low नहीं, बट एनर्जी बहुत कम हो गई थी, कुछ करने का मन नहीं करता था. सो आई गॉट ऑल द ब्लड टेस्ट डन एंड दैट इज व्हेन आई केम टू नो दैट आई हैव थायराइड एंड PCOD. So this is something I've never talked on my channel because I don't like to share about it until I know what I'm talking about. Since then, it has been a roller coaster ride, but I was very, very sure that I am going to work on this and I am going to get rid of this. I am going to change my lifestyle. I am going to change my health completely. So the doctor that I went to, वो मुझे बोल रहा था that अंकिता तुम्हें लाइफ टाइम अब थायराइड की मेडिसिन लेनी पड़ेगी एंड थायराइड इतना जल्दी कम नहीं होता. एंड दैट हिट मी हार्ड एंड मैंने उसको चैलेंज किया दैट आई विल गेट रिड ऑफ दिस मेडिसिन नो मैटर व्हाट. आई एम स्टिल on medicines for thyroid and PCOD, but it's been around 5 months I think, and first 3 months में ही मेरा thyroid and PCOD both came down to 50%. How I did this, everything I can share my journey only after I feel that I'm 100% cured, because right now I am doing everything that's working for me. Until and unless I've cured it 100%, until and unless I see that yes, it is not coming back after the medications, that is when I think I will be the right person to talk about it. As of now, if you all want me to make a video on what things I'm doing to keep everything maintained, what I'm doing about my diet, about my lifestyle, about my workout, and I can share my journey with you, but I will not share tips and tricks with you because I'm not the right person to do that until and unless I am completely cured. मैं तब तक शेयर नहीं करूँगी. बट इफ़ यू आर इंटरेस्टेड टू नो हाउ आई गॉट इट डाउन टू 50%, आई विल डेफिनेटली लव टू मेक अ वीडियो फॉर यू गाइज. सो लेट मी नो इन द कमेंट्स, आई विल डू दैट टू. सो दिस वॉज समथिंग आई डिडंट ऐड इट ऑन माई बोर्ड, बट आई एडेड ऑन माई लिस्ट एंड आई वॉज वेरी वेरी फोकस्ड अबाउट इट. आई वॉज वेरी पर्टिकुलर अबाउट इट एंड इट डिड वर्क आउट. नाउ आई हैव बिकम अ complete different person. I've become so disciplined, I've become so particular. About my health, I am a workaholic person. I love my work to some other level. मैं जब काम करती हूँ मैं खाना भी नहीं देखती, मैं कुछ भी नहीं देखती. But right now, that is not the state. I keep my work aside and I focus on my health. I focus on myself. मैं छुट्टियाँ पहले नहीं लेती थी. Now I go on a vacation, I don't bother, it's okay, 10 दिन मैंने कुछ post नहीं किया, I am okay with. And I think it is high time that, everybody prioritizes their health over work. Because life नहीं रहेगी तो तुम काम ही नहीं कर पाओगे. That's it. I feel I have covered all the aspects of my vision board. There was one more thing on my vision board, that was best hair care influencer. I cannot tag that for myself, but I do feel that I have reached a point where, my followers, they come and talk to me and take tips for hair care, about hair health. So I do consider myself as a decent and a good hair care influencer. So if you want anything related to hair and even skin be in that matter, or fashion, y'all can reach out to me always. Now this was what turned to reality from my vision board. अब मैं बताऊंगी आपको the part 2, that how you can make your vision board and turn that to reality. So let's get started. So let's start on how you can manifest your dream life. So basically, what is manifestation? Have you heard of that dialogue from Shah Rukh Khan's Om Shanti Om? अगर आप किसी चीज को दिल से चाहो तो पूरी कायनात आपको उसे मिलाने में लग जाती है. So this is actually true. You might not believe it right now, but if you want something, बचपन में हमको टॉफी चाहिए होती थी, हम रोते थे, नहीं मुझे ये चाहिए ही. You were sure that मुझे वो चाहिए. कैसे? You didn't have money that time. आपके पास तो कुछ भी नहीं था. But that thought of you getting that gift or getting that cycle, getting that toffee was so strong that आपको वो मिलता ही था. बट कैसे मिलता था? तुम वो नहीं सोचते थे. तुम बस इतना सोचते थे कि मुझे वो चाहिए. फिर वो मिलाने का काम मम्मी, पापा, भाई, बहन, चाचा, चाची वो कर लेते थे. So basically, this is the idea of manifestation. If you want something badly in life, all the powers around you will make sure that you get it. But अब हम क्या करते हैं पता है? When you grow up, you think more practically. आप बहुत practical हो जाते हो. You don't believe in magic. You don't believe in all of that. बचपन में हम Santa Claus gift लाता है every 25th ये believe करते थे. क्यों? मम्मी आके रख देती थी. But तभी हम सोचते थे that Santa Claus is there, मुझे गिफ्ट मिलता है. And every 25th तुमको गिफ्ट मिलता था. The moment you all understood that Santa Claus नहीं होता, मम्मी वो गिफ्ट रखती है, तुम्हारे गिफ्ट बंद हो जाते हैं. क्यों बंद हो जाते हैं? Because you started believing in reality. You came out of that thought process. तुमने अपने दिमाग को बता दिया अरे ये तो झूठ है, अब तो कुछ सोच के फायदा ही नहीं है. So you stopped thinking only of that gift. क्यों नहीं सोचते? Because तुम्हें पता है यार अभी सैंटा नहीं होता. पहले तुम्हें पता नहीं था कि वो मुझे कैसे मिलता है, तो तुम सोचते थे उसके बारे में. So how can you manifest something? You just have to be very, very sure of what you want. Firstly, you have to be sure inside. Basically, I'll give you one small example. Just say that you want to buy a house. You keep that vision in your mind. How will you get that house is not your concern. You just have to work towards your dream. Work as in you have to give your 2000%. अब अगर तुमको घर खरीदना है, what you need to? You need to save some money. You need to work hard. You need to make more money. How can you make more money? You can try and work, get multiple sources of income. You can start investing more money and putting that investment and return into investing again. Let the money multiply. Let the money work for you. And then maybe eventually you can reach that. Ask yourself, why do you want that house? Why do you need this car? How will you feel when you get this car? Answer all these questions. Answer that feelings. बैठो, write the feelings down. मुझे कितनी ज़्यादा खुशी मिलेगी if I get that car? मुझे कितनी ज़्यादा खुशी मिलेगी if I buy that house? Now, this year if I want to buy a house, what can I do? What do I need? You just analyze, answer all the questions that you want. But if you want that 10 crore house, keep that on your vision. Keep that on your mind. Maybe not now, maybe not this year, but you can buy that 10 crore house maybe in the next 3 years. Nothing is impossible. It's just in your mind. You need to be practical, but इतना reality में मत घुस जाओ that you just stop believing that you can achieve things that you're capable of. Our job is to work hard and achieve that. What is the journey? How will I achieve that? That they leave it on the universe. The universe will make a path for you on its own and you will reach that journey. So this is all about manifestation. Manifestation is basically you need something, you have a strong desire to achieve something in life and you just work towards it without even having a second thought. Now if you ask me, मेरे vision board में से I will tell you now that मेरा वो YouTube button क्यों मुझे नहीं मिला. Because when I was making that vision board, somewhere deep down I had that thought in my mind that ये साल मेरा 100K hit होना difficult है. क्यों difficult है? Because मेरे सिर्फ 2000K सब्सक्राइबर्स थे. अब मैंने ही वो नेगेटिव थॉट मेरे दिमाग में सीड प्लांट कर दिया. नाउ इफ आई हैव दैट इन माय हेड, आई विल ऑलवेज हैव दैट बैक इन माय माइंड. मेरा सबकॉन्शियस माइंड में वो थॉट चल ही रहा है दैट ये शायद नहीं होगा बट इसके अराउंड में कुछ कर लूंगी. वो थॉट प्रोसेस मेरे दिमाग में हमेशा आता था. आई वॉज नेवर दैट 2000% श्योर दैट नहीं मुझे ये मिलेगा ही. कैसे मिलेगा आई डोंट नो. वो थॉट प्रोसेस अगर इतना फर्म होता, आई एम वेरी श्योर इट्स इजी टू अचीव इट. मेरे दिमाग में आई कैन रीच समवेयर अराउंड, आई कैन रीच 2000 के आसपास, आई कैन ग्रो थोड़ा, ये सब चल रहा था एंड वो हुआ. बट मैंने ये इमेजिन ही नहीं किया दैट आई कैन ऑल्सो गेट द यूट्यूब प्ले बटन. दैट इज वेयर आई डिड अ ह्यूज मिस्टेक दिस टाइम. एंड नाउ दिस इज अ नेगेटिव पार्ट. 2023 I hit 100K followers on Instagram. That time I had 15K followers and there was no, कोई भी नहीं बोलेगा that मेरा 7 महीने में ऐसे 100K followers हो जाएगा. In 7 months from 15K I went to 110K followers. And how did that happen? I had a very strong vision that I want to hit that number. I had that number written on my phone wallpaper. I had it in front of me. मैं हर दूसरे दिन बोलती थी मुझे 100K चाहिए, 100K चाहिए, 100K चाहिए. Randomly one fine day, one video went viral. I hit from 15K to 25K followers. And then after that slowly मेरे उस साल 12 videos viral गए. And that was my journey of going viral on Instagram. After going viral 25 से 50, 50 से 70, in December I hit 75K followers. So I was like 100K अभी कैसे होगा types. In Jan end कुछ तो one video went so viral. I hit 15 million views on that video. इतना viral गया. I got 25,000 followers from that one video. सीधा 75 से 100K. How did that happen? I wouldn't have thought that एक वीडियो इतना वायरल जाएगा that मुझे 25,000 फॉलोअर्स मिल जाएंगे in just a span of 10 days. I was very sure that मुझे 100K हिट करना है. मैंने ये नहीं सोचा कि वो कैसे होगा, मैंने बस सोचा कि 100K चाहिए. I was so sure, इसीलिए everything just worked in my favor. But I will not say that everything happened magically. There was a power and energy around to make it work. But I worked in day and night to get that number. I used to work every single day. मैंने Saturday Sundays भी वो साल ऑफ नहीं लिया है. Till I reached 100K, I have not taken a single vacation for 7 months. That is how hard I worked. So this is how you visualize what you want and then manifest it. The main concept of manifestation is think that you already have it. I know ये लोग बोलते हैं, तुमने बहुत जगह सुना होगा, and it's very difficult to think that you have it. अब मेरे पॉकेट में 100 रुपए है, मैं कैसे सोचूं that मेरे पास 10,000 रुपए है? That is how it comes in your mind. So basically it's just the way you live, the way you think, the way you do. When you are spending money, when you are always very conscious that नहीं यार कौन इतना महंगा spend करेगा, कौन ये चीज़ करेगा, I will not buy this new outfit because it's too expensive. You shouldn't have that thought process. Yes, you should be calculative. ऐसे नहीं होना चाहिए भाई तुम गए और 10,000 के सारे shopping एक साथ करके लाए. No, you need to be very calculative that when I'm going and purchasing something, is this something that I want? Will this add on to anything? Like when you're going and you're buying a blazer, it's a 4,000 worth blazer. You are telling that 4,000 का कौन लेगा? I will rather buy something सस्ता. You will not wear that सस्ता even once or after twice max because you don't like it इतना. But when you buy that 4,000 worth blazer, the quality is good. You will wear it a lot of time. Every time you wear it, you will feel good. And all these things count. तुम कैसे सोचते हो, तुम कैसे चलते हो, तुम कैसे रहते हो, how is your surrounding, the people you are with, तुम्हारा घर कितना clean है, ये सब thought process plays a very very important role on how you live your life ahead. So ये सारी चीजें one step at a time is what you need to do to manifest your dream life. Slowly you can visualize everything. You can live the way you want to. It's just that you need to do your work. कर्म करते जा, फल की चिंता मत कर. This is the funda. Now I've told you how you can manifest. Second thing is manifestation का first step is you need to be very grateful for what you have. You will only attract something when you are grateful for what you have. अब मेरे पास एक रोटी है and I am not grateful for that roti, you are not going to get pizza. Because तुम अगर तुम्हारे प्लेट में जो है उसके लिए गॉड से थैंकफुल नहीं हो, हाउ डू यू एक्सपेक्ट गॉड टू गिव यू समथिंग मोर? सो गॉड विल ओनली थिंक दैट मैं इसे कुछ भी दूं, ये बस कंप्लेन ही करता है हमेशा, तो मैं इसे क्यों ही कुछ और दूं, इससे बेटर है मैं उसको बुरी चीजें ही देता हूँ, बिकॉज इवन इफ आई गिव हिम गुड ही इज जस्ट गोइंग टू कंप्लेन. एंड दिस इज ह्यूमन टेंडेंसी. व्हेन यू गेट समथिंग यू विल नॉट बी ग्रेटफुल, यू वांट मोर, then you will be cursing for that. फिर वो मिल जाएगा तुम किसी तरह, then you will be अरे ये नहीं चाहिए, मुझे और चाहिए. You do keep your visions high, you do think of achieving the best for you, but never forget to be grateful for what you already have. तुम अगर step 0 से step 5 पे आए हो, तो don't just think about step 10, अरे यार और 5 steps चढ़ने हैं. Don't think about और 5 steps चढ़ने हैं. Just think about मैं 0 से 5 पे आया. Think about the positive side. I reached here and I'm so grateful, so thankful that you reached here. You need to genuinely feel happy because जब तुम 0 पे थे, you were just thinking about that step 5. Now you cannot forget about that step 5 completely because तुम्हें step 10 चाहिए. वो भी मिलेगा. But you need to be very grateful for step 5. So slowly and steadily, first step of achieving anything in life, be grateful. कुछ नहीं है तुम्हारे life में, be grateful for your life. You are alive. There are people who cannot walk, who have a lot of problems. You have a healthy body. This is the most simplest thing to be grateful for in life. अगर तुम thankful हो, you will get more reasons to be thankful for. You know, this is a very common thing. I know you might have heard this, you might have read this in all self-help books अगर आपने पढ़ी है तो. But this is a very common concept. आप सिर्फ 10 दिन try करो to be very grateful in your life, to be happy with what you have, to just count your blessings every day in the morning. You will see that the 11th day you just have more reasons. And तुम complain कर ही नहीं रहे हो because तुम्हारे life में complain करने के लिए कुछ है ही नहीं अभी. You will have that mindset that तुम negative बात पे focus ही नहीं करोगे. So this is how manifestation works. This is how visualization works. Visualization is basically closing your mind and actually imagining yourself living the life that you have always dreamt. जैसे अभी मैं आपको बताऊँ, if you want a car, close your eyes, visualize that मैं उस BMW में बैठ रही हूँ. Imagine, एकदम डिटेल में imagine करो. I want a blue BMW. I am wearing like a white dress. I am opening the door. I am sitting inside if you like to drive. Or maybe if you want a driver, the driver is opening the door for me. मैं जाके बैठ रही हूँ. I'm just driving, going around. This is how you visualize. आपने movies में देखा है ना? So you just visualize yourself. Now this is how you make a vision board. To make your vision board, आपको अपने visions को 3 parts में divide करना है. This is easier to just make the board. First is your work and career related, professional, जो भी आपको चाहिए. If you want a dream job, money, everything will come under this. Second is your personal life, if you want a partner, if you want a good relationship with any of your friend, your house, a car or whatever, it comes under this section. Third is about your health, if you want to get rid of any diseases or any health issues, or if you want a certain kind of a body, if you want abs, whatever, कुछ भी imagine कर सकते हो, वो सब यहाँ आएगा. Now what will you do is, आपको जो भी चाहिए, be very particular. If I want a specific body and if I want a specific weight, I will take a picture of someone who has a body similar to that. वो picture मैं निकालूंगी Pinterest से and ये सारे चीजें जो भी मैंने लिखी है वो चीजों के रिलेटेड जो भी पिक्चर्स मुझे एकदम क्लोज लगते हैं वो ले लूंगी and I will make a collage out of that. Then for my personal life, जैसे कि मैंने आपको एक पिक्चर बताया, I held a picture of someone holding my hand. That is how even you can find someone or even you can see someone. Or if you want a house, जैसे कि मैंने एक पिक्चर रखा था of me holding a key because I'm manifesting a house basically. So मैं आपको सिर्फ एक एग्जाम्पल दे रही हूँ कि then that is how you can add pictures of the house. Or if you want to buy a house in any of your village and आपको आपने एक घर देखा हुआ है और आपको वही घर चाहिए, go click a picture of that. Keep it on your vision board. If you want a car, take a picture of that car, put it on your vision board. ऐसे आप हर सेक्शन में आपको जो भी चीज करनी है पहले आप वो लिखोगे, मुझे ये चाहिए, उसके रिलेटेड जो बेस्ट पिक्चर है वो आप निकालोगे. Then you will make a board and you will make a collage and place it in that collage. Take a print. टेक वन हार्ड कॉपी एंड वन सॉफ्ट कॉपी. सॉफ्ट कॉपी आपके फोन के वॉलपेपर में रख दो सो दैट यू सी इट एवरी सिंगल डे. जितना आप देखोगे उतना आप रोज याद करोगे, उतना आप रोज उसके लिए काम करोगे, उतना जल्दी आपको वो मिलेगा. वैसे ही इफ यू हैव इट इन फ्रंट ऑफ योर आईज, बेस्ट थिंग इज टू वेक अप एंड कीप इट इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू. सुबह उठ के ही विजन बोर्ड देखना है. अगर आप वैसे जगह रखो तो nothing like it. I have kept it in my studio because I come and sit here whenever I am in that space of mind about my work and career. So इसीलिए मैं इसे यहाँ रखती हूँ. So this is how your visions work. Now there was one story that I would like to share. This is a very old story. I was in 10th standard and मेरे prelims में marks बहुत ही कम आए थे. I was a very bright student. I got some 70% in prelims and my family and everyone were very upset because I was a kid who could get above 90 easily. I was a bright student in school. So 70 and my mom was very upset. Somebody told her something and they were like, क्या अभी इसको नहीं आएगा 90, she will not get. And I was so upset. I am like, अब तो मुझे चाहिए ही. कैसे मिलेगा? I don't know. I used to study every single day and night. रात को 2-2 बजे तक मैं every day बोर्ड एग्जाम्स तक मैंने कम से कम डेली एक पेपर सॉल्व किया. मेरा पूरा पढ़ के हो गया in a month because I had taken it so seriously. पढ़ के हो गया, रिविजन करके हो गया. उसके बाद भी I wanted कि नहीं मेरा खत्म हो गया तो भी मैं छोड़ूंगी नहीं. जितने भी पुराने पेपर्स थे रोज रात को 3-3 घंटे बैठ के मैं पेपर सॉल्व करती थी कि मुझे 90% तो चाहिए ही. एंड देन व्हाट आई डिड इज आई रोट 90% इतना बड़ा ऐसे एंड आई केप्ट इट इन फ्रंट ऑफ माई बेड. एवरी डे आई यूज टू सी दैट एवरी सिंगल डे एंड द परसेंटेज दैट आई गॉट वाज 90.91. इतना precise was my percentage. So guys, vision boards work like magic. Whatever you want, place it in front of your eyes. Close your eyes, visualize and you can live your dream life. I hope this was helpful. अभी तक मैंने मेरा 2025 का vision board तो बनाया नहीं है. I was thinking to make a video on how I make it, but to be very honest guys, I am not very comfortable yet and I don't think I will ever be this comfortable to share what I want in my life before I achieve it with you guys, because as I said, nazar, I do believe in it. Do you believe? And कभी कभी ऐसे होता है that you should keep it secret until it's permanent. You should keep it secret until you know it's something that you can share. अभी वो मेरा हो चुका है. I have gotten it and that is when you share. उसकी खुशी ही कुछ अलग होती है because not everyone will understand what you are thinking, what you are visualizing. बहुत बड़े visions होंगे. For you it is possible. For you, you can achieve it. But there might be people जिनको वो बहुत stupid लगेगा. क्या ये तो achieve नहीं कर सकता है कोई. And ऐसे कुछ भी बोल दिया. We don't want that negative energy. No negative energy should come around that thing that you are visualizing because you do all of that with a lot of positive vibe. So you need to stay away from all the negativity. Just welcome all the positivity and you are just one step away from your dream life. I hope this video was helpful. बहुत लंबा video था. But if you could take even 10% of positivity from this video, I will be very happy. See you guys next time and don't forget to comment if you want me to make the thyroid PCOD video, if you want me to make any other video related to manifestation or anything. Whatever you want, just comment down. See you guys next time. Bye!